Choosing the right window installation service in Birmingham is essential for achieving a beautiful, energy-efficient, and long-lasting result. Whether you're replacing outdated windows or installing new ones, the right professionals make all the difference. Here's how to select the best window installation services to ensure your project is completed flawlessly. Do your research. Begin by compiling a list of potential window installation companies in Birmingham. Ask for recommendations from friends, family, or neighbors who have had positive experiences. Additionally, conduct an online search to read reviews and ratings from previous customers on platforms like Google, Yelp, and Angie, formerly Angie's List. Customer testimonials offer valuable insights into the company's reliability, work quality, and customer service. Pay close attention to how the company handles both positive and negative feedback. A willingness to resolve issues or address customer concerns signals a commitment to excellence. Verify licensing and insurance. Ensuring that a company is properly licensed and insured is crucial. Licensing indicates that the company meets Birmingham's requirements for operating in the window installation industry. Insurance protects you from liability in case of accidents, injuries, or damages during the project. Ask for proof of both licenses and insurance coverage to ensure you're working with a reputable and responsible provider. Evaluate experience and expertise. Window installation is a specialized skill that requires experience and precision. Companies with years of experience often have the expertise to handle different types of windows and navigate potential challenges. When considering a window installer, ask about their experience in the industry and whether they specialize in residential, commercial, or both types of installations. Inquire if the company has expertise in the type of windows you're considering, whether it's double-hung, casement, bay, picture, or energy-efficient windows. Specialists with experience in your desired style are better equipped to deliver high-quality, lasting results. Review product options and brands. A good window installation company will offer a range of window products and materials to suit your needs. Ask about the brands they work with and the different options they provide, such as vinyl, wood, aluminum, or composite frames. High-quality materials will ensure your windows last longer and provide energy savings. Seek out companies that offer ENERGY STAR-rated products, which meet strict energy efficiency guidelines. These windows not only reduce energy bills but also contribute to a more comfortable indoor environment, a benefit that is especially useful in Birmingham's fluctuating climate. Request references and portfolios. Ask potential installers for references from past clients and examples of completed projects. Contact these references to learn more about their experiences, including the professionalism, timeliness, and overall satisfaction with the installation service. Checking out a company's portfolio of past projects gives you a visual idea of their capabilities, workmanship, and attention to detail. Compare quotes and get everything in writing. Obtain detailed quotes from multiple companies to ensure you're getting competitive pricing for your project. The quote should include a breakdown of costs for labor, materials, old window removal, and any additional services. Comparing quotes will give you a better understanding of the market rate and help you find a balance between affordability and quality. Make sure all terms, warranties, and costs are clearly outlined in writing. This transparency prevents misunderstandings and ensures that everyone is on the same page regarding expectations. Inquire about warranties and guarantees. The best window installation companies offer warranties on their products and workmanship. This demonstrates confidence in their service and protects you from potential issues down the line. Be sure to ask about the length and coverage of the warranty to understand what is included and what is excluded. A strong warranty provides peace of mind and assurance that you're investing in a reliable product and installation service. Assess customer service and communication. From the initial consultation, take note of how the company communicates with you. Are they attentive, knowledgeable, and transparent? A company that takes the time to answer your questions, understand your needs, and provide detailed explanations is likely to offer excellent customer service throughout the project. Effective communication is vital for ensuring the project runs smoothly, stays on schedule, and meets your expectations. Check compliance with local regulations. Professional window installers should be familiar with Birmingham's building codes and regulations. Confirm that they will obtain any necessary permits and handle any required inspections to ensure your project complies with local laws. Non-compliance can lead to penalties or complications when selling your home. Conclusion: choosing the best window installation services in Birmingham requires careful consideration of experience, quality, customer service, and transparency. By doing your research, comparing options, and focusing on reputable providers, you can achieve a successful window installation that enhances your home's beauty, energy efficiency, and value. Trusting the right professionals ensures your project is completed with precision and care, delivering long-lasting results you'll enjoy for years to come.